Hello and welcome back to my channel. You will notice that we are not outside, we are actually in my bedroom. That is because I'm going to do my first ever unboxing video. It is my first one ever, my first attempt, and I'm only going to get one shot at this, so if I mess anything up, bear with me. But I'm really excited about this package. I've talked a long time about lifting cars and buying lift kits. I'm really into it. We own a lifted Subaru, but I didn't put the lift on it. We just bought it that way. I lifted my original Ute just a little bit, a scotch, with eBay coilovers basically. I just cranked the preload as hard as I could and got it to kind of sit up a little higher than it would have from the factory. Pretty much the cheapest and weakest lift kit you could possibly put on a Civic. But for a long time I've been aware of a company called HRG Off-Road. And that stands for Honda Rescue Garage. They basically made their name by making quality component kits to lift your Honda a significant amount. And I've wanted one of these kits for a really long time. I've often thought about ordering one and been very close to doing so, but I never really pulled the trigger on it until last week. And I finally put in the order. This is the 2-inch Ultimate Lift Kit for 88 to 2000 Honda Civic and wagon, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it tonight, and then I will start installing it tomorrow. The installation video will be the next video that you'll see on my channel, and then after that I also intend to do a review after I have it installed and I've driven it for a while. I'll give you an honest review of what I think of the kit and how it performs and how the fitment goes, but I want to live with it a little bit before I create a review. And also, just to get it out of the way, this is not sponsored. They did not hook me up with this or even give me a discount. I paid for it with my hard-earned cash, and I can say whatever I want. So if I like it, if I love it, or if I hate it, I will let you know the honest truth. That's enough talking. Let's open this thing up. And then I cut my finger off. Hopefully not. Also, if you're looking for a high quality knife, I recommend the Kershaw Blur. Kershaw Blur. Assisted open. It's really sweet and really sharp. Oh, everything is wrapped. First of all, the most important thing, got a koozie for your beverage. Just go ahead and slip that right in there. Oh yeah, high quality koozie. The drinks are tasting better already. I don't know what's what here. Oh, this one's really heavy. I've heard good things about these kits. I've heard many people say that they really like them, that they are pretty easy to install. I have also heard some negative aspects of them as well, which is that when you first install them, you may have to trim some of the factory suspension components in order to get everything to work correctly. And I guess the front struts in particular, sometimes hit the front knuckles or hit the body, and there's not a whole lot you can do about it. So not necessarily a functional problem, but it can be a little annoying because you'll hear the clatter of them like hitting incoming subspace signal. next time we'll have the camera person mute their phone. So I pretty much opened all of the least exciting parts so far. These are camber adjustable ball joints and the rear camber arms. I was hoping to open the spacers first, but yeah, that's just not how it's worked out. So these are going to be probably bolts, hardware. Sure enough, hardware. I will say that the shipping was really fast on this. This came from Mooresville, North Carolina. I think it only took 3 or 4 days to get here. Oh yeah, there's the spacer. Look at that. Mute, I said, not vibrate. One more. Boy, this was all packaged really well, especially considering that it's all pretty much made of steel, and you probably wouldn't have to worry about any of it getting hurt in shipping anyways. I mean, these are really sturdy and thick steel. Like, you could chuck this across the room and you would just put a hole in your wall. But they still bothered to protect it really well in transit, which is nice. I've heard that these are really high quality and well made, and they certainly seem like it. They're certainly beefy. Let's see, we got some paperwork here. I believe these are the instrucciones. Ooh, and we got a sticker. I like it. The sticker is definitely going to go on the back window of the Ute. So yeah, we also have some instructions here. We don't need those. And yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I am literally going to start installing this tomorrow, and I'll start filming an installation video for you. We'll see how it looks after it's supposed to be a 2-inch lift, so we'll see how much lift we actually get out of it. I also ordered a brand new set of wheels for the Ute. Unfortunately, they will not be here until next week, and I actually really don't have a set of tires for those wheels either. I'm not exactly sure what size tire to go with the lift kit, so my plan is to put the lift kit on, get a rough idea of how much of a gap there is with the size of tire that I have on there right now, and based on that, that will give me an idea, sort of an estimate of what size tire I can go with. I have a friend on Instagram who has this same kit, and he has 27 by 8.5 14s, and he says that they rub a lot, and he doesn't have a lot of steering angle when the front is articulated, because as soon as the suspension flexes, it puts the tire up into the wheel well and you just can't turn anymore. I would really like to avoid that. I want to keep this car my daily driver. I want to drive it a lot, and I'm really hoping that I will still be able to do that after this lift kit. So I think that one of the things that I'm going to do is definitely go with a smaller size tire, so that I am able to still get my full steering and articulation. It may not look as cool not being fully stuffed with tire, but I think that I will be able to keep a little bit more functionality that way, and that's really what I'm going for. Yeah, anyways, that's my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you'll tune in next time for when I'm actually throwing this stuff on the Ute.